Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to add Google Pay option on Gumroad. Adding Google Pay to your Gumroad store can be a real game changer. Imagine offering your customers a quick and easy way to pay, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially boosting your sales. Whether you're new to Gumroad or a seasoned user looking to expand your payment options, integrating Google Pay can be a simple yet effective upgrade to your store. Let's explore how to set this up step by step. First things first, you need to log into your Gumroad account. Once you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the Gumroad dashboard. Consider this dashboard as your personal command center. It's where you can oversee all your account activities and manage your settings. While it might seem a bit daunting at first glance, rest assured that it's designed to be user-friendly. Now, let's move on to the next step. Look for the settings option. You'll find this at the top of the page, so go ahead and click on it. The settings section is vital, as it houses both your personal and business account settings. It's definitely worth spending some time here to get familiar with the various options available. In the settings menu, you'll come across several options. What you're after is the payments option. This section is crucial because it allows you to set up and manage how you receive payments from your online store. Essentially, it's the backbone of your store's financial transactions. Once you click on payments, you'll need to locate the bank account section. This is where you'll enter your bank account details, which are necessary for receiving funds. If you already have a Google Pay account linked to a credit card, adding your bank account information becomes much easier. Simply input the details of your Google-related bank account, following the prompts on the screen to ensure accuracy. By entering your Google credit card details here, you're enabling your Gumroad account to accept payments via Google Pay. This feature can significantly enhance your business, as it simplifies the transaction process and makes it more appealing to customers who prefer using Google Pay. Providing a seamless checkout experience is not just a convenience, it's a strategic move that can attract more customers and increase sales. And there you have it. You successfully added Google Pay to your Gumroad account. This addition is an excellent way to expand your business's reach by offering your customers more flexibility and convenience. Remember, incorporating various payment options is a smart business strategy. It boosts customer satisfaction and can lead to increased sales. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to add Google Pay option on Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.